Now we're going to separate this out into individual items, but first of all, these icon slots, I'm not happy with the color at the moment. So if I just click on slot 1, where I have my icon material, I actually want to change this color to maybe more of a kind of a pale blue. Let's just take a look. Maybe something like this I think is good. So hexadecimal code is 6087AE. Is that an O or a 0? I'm not sure. I think it's an O. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that value actually. Now we do have a little bit of an issue with aliasing. So if I right click up here on the game and choose maximize, you can see that we've got these sort of strange edges. They're very jagged. Okay, so it's an aliasing issue. It's exactly the same if I choose play maximized and play. You'll notice these as well. So let's fix this. Okay, so if we go to edit and project settings and we come down to quality, first of all ensure that your quality is on ultra, and the anti-aliasing at the moment is only on 2 times, which isn't so great. We're going to change it over to 8 times. Okay, which is going to make it really smooth, so that now if I right click and maximize, notice everything is perfectly smooth now. Okay, it looks really nice. Okay, great. So what we're going to do first of all is just get a screenshot of everything all together. So I'm just going to press play, enter into play mode, and then I'm just going to press print screen on Windows keyboard. Okay, that's going to allow me to take a screenshot. If you're on the Mac, that's just Shift and Command and 4, which will do the same thing and give you a screenshot. Okay, I'm just going to go into Microsoft Paint or whatever image editing application you want to use and just paste that image in. Okay, so file, save as. I will save as a PNG. Put it in a new folder. Let's call it UI images. Now call this one ref, as in reference, so that I know where everything is supposed to sit. Okay, now I only want this middle section on its own, so I'm just going to take all of these slots, switch them all off. Stamina bar, background, switch those off. So I'm just left with this. So if I now press play, once again I can press my print screen on my keyboard. That's just next to screen lock on mine, just next to F12 on the keyboard there, or as I say, if you're on the Mac, just use that shortcut. So now I can paste this one in. This one is health full. Okay. Wouldn't allow me to do that. Why not? Try it again. Health full. No, that one worked this time. Strange how it didn't do it last time. Now we want one where the health is actually empty. So for this, we're going to take the blood. We're going to do a Control and D. Right click, rename, and I'll call this empty health. Okay, in the inspector, simply want to change it from red down to black. So all the way down to black. Exactly the same metallic and smoothness. So now in my Pro Builder material editor, I can now take my empty health, put it into the next available slot, and then using my face mode, let's just click on one of these faces. In Pro Builder, select by material and give it the empty health this time. Now in the game you can see this is what it looks like when it's completely empty. Once again, let's just press play, print screen, and let's paste that one. Okay, so this is health empty. Can now switch off my health meter. Let's switch on a stamina bar, and this is with the stamina, so let's just get this one. Once again, just print screen in order to take a screenshot. Paste. Stamina full. Now let's replace this. If I just click on this face, go to Pro Builder and select by material, let's replace this with empty health. Okay, so it should be completely black now. There we go, that's when it's completely empty. So once again, let's just press play and do a print screen. Paste. Stamina empty. Now let's set it up so it's set up with the mana this time. Pro Builder, select by material, material editor, and let's just give it that mana color. Okay, so let's press play and print screen, paste. So mana full. And now we have the background. Let's just take that just as it is there. Print screen. Just call this BG for background. Switch that one off. Now I just want to switch on one slot, the first slot. Press play. And let's take a print screen of this one. The reason why, so that then I can replace this blue section with the icon, and we've got a nice outline going on there. So let's just paste that one. Let's call this weapon icon. Oh, doesn't like it again. There we go. Let's switch this one off now and switch on. Let's use maybe slot 8 on this side this time. And this is the mana icon. Once again, print screen. Let's do a paste. Mana icon. And then let's now switch on all of these slots. And let's get this one. Okay, just print screen, there we go. I'll call this icon slots. Again, didn't like that. There we go. All right, and that's it. All right, so we've basically saved all of those out as images now. So we'll take those into an image editing application and we'll bring those back into Unity as graphics and set them up on the canvas. So once again, just make sure that you save your progress so far in case we need to come back into this again.